The Sahabas, when the Prophet told them that this ummah is going to be divided into 73 groups, the companions, what was the question that they asked? Hey, put your hand up, don't shout. What was the question that the Sahabas asked when he told them that the ummah is going to be divided into 73? What was the question that the companions asked? Hey, Habibi. So the companions, they said, which is going to be the saved group? If the Prophet said, my people, the Muslims, are going to be divided into 73 groups. The companions, they said, who's going to be the saved one, right? So that is very smart of the companions. Shows how smart and clever they were. Because they just want to know what is good so they can go and follow it. Are we all together? That shows 𝗙𝗀𝗀𝗻 النظر وعمق الفهم. How deep they look at matters and their strong understanding. Radiyallahu anhum. صح? What was the Prophet's response? Hey Habibi, what did the Prophet say? The Prophet said what? The one who follows the Quran and the Sunnah. That's half of what the Prophet said. There's another part that's missing. Hey, وأصحاب اليمين. You.
He said the one who stays away from what is maybe right, maybe it's wrong.
That's also correct, but it's again half of the answer. Hey, the brother at the back.
Only one of them will be saved, and that's the one that follows the Quran and Sunnah is on the right path.
Who follows the Quran and the Sunnah and is on the right path. Again, half of the answer you're giving. All of you guys are giving half the answer. Hey, Habibi, you. Yes. You were smiling, so I thought you had the answer. Correct. So the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, مَنْ كَانَ عَلَى مِثْلِ مَا أَنَا عَلَيْهِ الْيَوْمَ وَأَصْحَابِي. Whoever is upon that which I and my companions are upon today. That is powerful. The group that's going to be saved is not a group that's from Somalia, or from Pakistan, or from Bangladesh, or from Saudi Arabia, or from this country, or from that country. The group that's going to be saved is a description that if you come with, you don't have to sign a contract, you don't have to pledge an allegiance to any group or any individual, you don't have to be on a list, you just have to come with this, even if it's in your own house. What is it? مَنْ كَانَ عَلَى مِثْلِ مَا أَنَا عَلَيْهِ الْيَوْمَ وَأَصْحَابِي. Whoever is upon that which I and my companions are upon. So everything that you say in your salah, in your fasting, and all of those actions, if that speech, that act of worship, you have no place in, you can't find the companions doing it, you can't find the Prophet do it, what do? Leave it. فَمَا لَمْ يَكُنْ يَوْمَئِذٍ دِينًا. What was not a religion that day, فَلَا يَكُنُ الْيَوْمَ دِينًا. It won't be a religion today. Just because you want it to be, it won't be a religion. All together, brothers.